If your Samsung keeps turning on sleep mode by itself, then go to settings here, go to modes and routines, go to sleep, and if you see there is a sleep schedule. So sleep mode will be activated from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. every day. So tap on it and then tap on this minus icon to remove the sleep schedule and then delete. Now there is one more condition here. When you are driving, then also the sleep mode will be turned on automatically. So tap on this minus icon here and remove the condition. After that, select done. Once you have done this one, go back, go to routines, and there is one routine which is set here. I will open it, and if you see, if I leave this place, then also the sleep mode will be turned on automatically. So I have to delete this routine also. So I will tap on this delete icon here and then delete the sleep routine. So once you do it, the sleep mode won't be turned on automatically.